Alright folks, so as it appears I can't move the skid steer because I probably got some water down in the bottom of my final drives, which rightfully so. This old machine sets a lot and condensate builds up in here. It's always got a cover on it. I never leave it out in direct rain, but I think it's got some ice frozen up on the sprockets in the bottom. And it's got these wheels locked up. So basically I'm just using a blowgun there, a hot blowgun, to try and soften it up a little bit. I'm going to leave it on there for a while, see if that helps. If not, might have to wait till a warmer day. So there you have it. I'll get back to you. Okay folks, so I stuck that blow dryer, that commercial blow dryer. It's for a shrink tube and you know, those type of applications for, you know, stripping paint. And I don't know how hot it does get, but it got hot enough so I could rock the machine back and forth and break that ice up that's in the bottom of my final drives. I'm gonna have to change out that it's got gear oil in there. I'm going to have to change out that gear oil because obviously it's mixed with water now. But this whole cavern in here is empty. So it's basically just a giant space that warms up and cools down all the time. And therefore it collects a lot of moisture in it. So apparently I've got too much in there because you shouldn't have any. But you know, you should be changing your fluid enough so, you know, it's kept down to a minimum. But that's what happened, folks. I left that on there about an hour. I came back out and I rocked it back and forth. I wish I'd caught it on camera. I didn't happen to do that, but I will show you that it moves around fine now. The other side was froze up a little bit too, but I managed to free that just by rocking it back and forth. And it is the afternoon, so the afternoon sun is out, and I think that helped a great deal too. So I'll just give it a little test drive and see how she goes. I've been moving it around here, but I just wanted to show you on camera. So there you have it, folks. She don't like the cold weather. It starts hard in cold weather, and it just has a lot of idiosyncrasies that don't work well in cold weather. But it's been a good old machine. I can't knock it. It doesn't owe me a nickel. So there you have it. How to thaw out your final drives in a Gehl Hydracat 4400. Northwind Garage. Peace out. God bless you.